how to fix if WhatsApp voice message not working on your Android or iPhone. And the first workaround is force stop WhatsApp. Go to your Android iPhone settings. Here choose apps and look for WhatsApp. Tap on it. Here under app info choose force stop and restart WhatsApp on your Android iPhone afresh. The next workaround to fix this issue is update WhatsApp. To do so, go to Play Store, Apple Store or Google Play Store. Here click on your profile icon and choose Manage Apps and Device. Here go to Manage section and tap on WhatsApp Messenger and click on Update option. It will update your WhatsApp Messenger. Thereafter, turn on WhatsApp microphone permission. Again, go to settings page, apps, WhatsApp. Under app info, you will find the option permission. Tap on it and turn the toggle button on against option microphone permission. The next workaround to fix this issue is clear WhatsApp cache. To do so, again go to settings, apps, WhatsApp, and here choose under app info storage. Tap on it and here choose clear WhatsApp caches. The another method is uninstall WhatsApp. Press and hold WhatsApp app and choose uninstall and download and install a fresh WhatsApp from your